Yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to drive in Turkey. Yeah, I'm driving a diesel Renault. And the things I've noticed that are different over here, the traffic lights are different. There's no sensor in the road. They change on their own every so many seconds. And they go from red to yellow to green. And on Google Maps, the street names seem to be completely different than what the actual signs say. And you do sometimes have to go through police checkpoints. Yeah, and I'm in the 5th largest city here, and the traffic normally is like Los Angeles, but it's kind of early in the morning, so there's not that much traffic. And I better stop at the gas station. And the gas stations over here are all full serve. Yeah, this was the easiest ever that I made it out of a big city. Normally you have to drive a long ways through the city before you even get to the freeway. Hey, now we're coming to the gas station. I just was trying to find one that had easy access getting in and out of here. Yeah, just fill it up.
Close.
Oh, you're closed?
Yeah.
Okay.
10. 10
Okay.
open.
Okay. that gas station's not opened. I never seen a gas station that doesn't open until 10 a.m. The guy must have banker's hours just like me. Seems like they're all that way here. There's also a lot of toll roads over here. It's all electronic. Yeah, you don't actually pay nothing. One tunnel I drove through, I had to actually pay. Yeah, and with these traffic lights, if you pull all the way up to the line, you can't see when they change green. That's why you always want to stop back a ways on these. I see these fruit stands all over the place out here. Yeah, and they also got lots of speed cameras here in Turkey. You see these cameras above the road, and it times, and it takes you a picture of your license plate, and then it times how long it takes you to get to the next set of them. And then so even if you slow down, you'll still get a ticket. Yeah, it looks like I'm coming up to a real big city out here in the middle of nowhere.